In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a calendar in Google Calendar. Importing a calendar is really useful if you've exported events from another calendar app, received a schedule from someone else, or you're moving to a new account and want all your existing events to come with you. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the main calendar view, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is where Google hides a lot of the more advanced options, including importing and exporting calendars. After you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you away from the main calendar view and into the full settings page, where you can adjust all sorts of preferences. Don't worry if this page looks a bit busy. We're going to focus on just one section. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a sidebar with different categories. Slowly scroll through that list until you find the section called Import and Export. Click on Import and Export to open the tool specifically designed for bringing events into your calendar or saving them out. Now you should see an area labeled Import. This is where you tell Google Calendar which file you want to bring in. Look for the button that says Select File from your computer and click it. A File Explorer window will pop up allowing you to browse your device. Here, you'll want to locate the calendar file you previously saved or downloaded. Most of the time, this will be in a format like .ics or maybe a .zip file if it contains multiple calendars. Once you've selected the file, confirm your choice in the File Explorer window. After that, you'll usually be asked which of your calendars you want to import these events into. Pick the calendar that makes the most sense, such as your main calendar or a dedicated one you've set up for work, school, or a specific project. Finally, click the Import button to start the process. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a few moments. When it's done, return to your main calendar view and scroll through the days and weeks to make sure your events appear where you expect them. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully imported a calendar into Google Calendar.